Ever wondered how some families quietly build legacies that last for generations? Here's a little-known strategy: forming family-controlled specialty agricultural cooperatives. Unlike traditional farming, these cooperatives unite family members to own and manage niche farms. Think organic herbs, rare fruits, or specialty dairy products. By pooling land, skills, and capital, families reduce risks and significantly boost their bargaining power. They negotiate better prices, access exclusive markets, and invest in sustainable, innovative practices that increase long-term value. Profits are reinvested into the cooperative, funding education, technology adoption, and strategic expansion. Over time, valuable assets like land, equipment, and intellectual property are held collectively, ensuring they remain within the family. Famous examples include the Mondragon cooperatives in Spain, which have created enduring wealth, jobs, and community stability for generations. This model isn't just about making money, it's about building a self-sustaining ecosystem where each generation inherits not only assets but also skills, networks, and a shared mission. Ready to plant the seeds of generational wealth?